Dave Hurco. What's new for the show?
This is a brand new machine. We're launching the BX range, 3 models, bridge design, high speed, higher accuracy than we used to, really good Y-axis travel.
Gareth, what's going on here?
Colin, this is the first time that we've shown the Robotrix at the MACH show. And this is very, very simple pallet loading system for Lang devices.
Paul, previous range of machines, Tornado, what's this one?
This is the next generation for Colchester, and this is the Typhoon range of machines now. This particular machine we've got here is a twin spindle single turret machine, which allows one-hit machining, so you've got the Y-axis and live tooling as well.
Stuart, I'm going to say the obvious. Everyone thinks of you guys, Renishaw, CMM metrology.
Correct.
What are you showcasing here?
We're showcasing our additive manufacturing division. We've been in additive manufacturing since 2011 now. What we're showcasing on here is actually what you can actually do on a machine with a single laser in 19 hours, a double laser in 19 hours, but on our new machine with quad laser, in 19 hours you can build the whole part.
Hi, Heather back for MTD. I'm here with Mike from XYZ. Now, Mike, when I think of XYZ, I think of milling and turning. What's this machine here doing?
Well, we've seen recently a big demand from our customers to get machines to be more productive, and people can't get staff to operate in 10 machines. So we've come up with a solution with Additive Systems based in Manchester to put a unit that's mobile, can be moved between milling machines and turning machines, so that they can load and unload the machines automatically.
Mike, Guhring, straight away, I think rotary cutting, that's right, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. Rotary cutting tools in all materials, high-speed steel, carbide, and PCD diamond tools as well.
So it's a nice, interesting material removal. But, and I sense there's a big butt coming here.
Correct. It's a big but because we've gone into a new range, a new program of tooling, grooving tools. It's a new catalogue, new standard range, and it's hitting the market here at MACH.
Hi, it's Heather here back for MTD. I'm here with Scott at CG Tech. Scott, what are you showcasing today?
We are showcasing our new module, which is called VeriCut Force. VeriCut Force is about feed rate optimization, and it's mainly promoting to the existing customer channel, but also we're promoting it to for new business as well.
Had a busy show?
Extremely busy.
Great, thanks for talking.
No problem.
And as we can see here, the young females encircle their prey with biscuits and the chance of an interview.